Good morning, everybody. In our second term, we are going to start with our subject English. You have all appeared for the term exam, or you may say practice papers online. Now, from today, we are going to start with your syllabus. That is 3.1. Coromandel fishes. This is actually a poem. Let us go to the textbook. Open your textbook, please. Have you opened? Can you read there? Chit chat, warming up, chit chat. Anybody read the first question for me? Sitting in the bench. 1, 2, 3. The first question is, what time do you get up in the morning? What time do you get up in the morning? Answer, please. As you know, don't you get up? Tell.
I get up 10.
Sit down. As you.
I get up at 6:30 a.m. in the morning.
As 6:30 a.m. She used the word a.m. What does the word a.m. refer to? As
After morning.
after morning. Okay. It is called. Go to the dictionary and find its Latin word. As correct. Anti-meridian. What do you mean by word anti? If I say antibiotic, biotics, antibiotics, Arctic, Antarctic, viral, antiviral. Anti means reverse, viruddha. In this sense, learn in this sense. You will learn many words without reciting them. You will read many words without reciting them. She gets up at 6:30 a.m. or at 10. If you were you didn't get the sense of the question. So at first try to get the sense. Questions are not so hard, they are easy. Go to the next question. What time do you go to bed now? As Gauri?
9 p.m. I go to bed.
Go to bed. I go to bed at 9 p.m. The word is p.m. That is post-meridian. A anti, P post. Anti means and post means. This is afterward. Meridian, madhyana, the time between two equal parts of a day. Day 24 hours means first 12 hours and next 12 hours, before or after. Anti, after, post, after. But this is for AM is used for morning, and PM is used for noon. PM is used for noon. दुपारच्या 12 नंतर जर तुम्हाला वेळ सांगायची आहे रात्रीच्या 12 पर्यंत तुम्ही PM वापरता. सकाळच्या साठी जर तुम्हाला रात्रीच्या 12 नंतर दुपारच्या मध्यान्हीच्या 12 पर्यंत जर तुम्हाला मध्यान्हीच्या 12 पर्यंत जर तुम्हाला वेळ सांगायची असेल तर तुम्ही AM वापरता. राईट. नाउ you are in 9th standard, get prepared, don't be lazy. Where do you spend your holidays? Where do you spend your holidays? You will have the answer. Either you spend your holidays at your uncle's or at home, or you go for a picnic or trekking or something other that you have or you are interested in. What adventures do you like? The next question is, what adventures do you like? See, they have given some options for you: boating, trekking, scuba diving, mountaineering, or something else. Some like cycling. Do you know boating? That is riding in a boat and the oaring it by yourself or paddling it by yourself. That can be your adventure. Trekking in the mountains with all equipments, carrying with all equipments. Scuba diving. Do you know scuba diving? The word is, I think, new for you. Scuba diving. Is this word known to you? What do you mean by scuba diving?
That word means going under the water to the bottom of the sea. For
What?
seeing different kind of fishes.
Different
Kind of fishes
fishes
or
and
ocean creatures.
ocean creatures. Okay, very good. Is it available in our India? Where can you go for scuba diving? Scuba diving is available only at seashores or where the sea is very clear and fresh. Where is it available in India? Give me an example. Andaman Nicobar Islands. At Andaman Nicobar Islands. Do you know where are the Andaman Nicobar Islands? In which sea they are? As
Bay of Bengal.
you are right. They are at the Bay of Bengal. Andaman Nicobar are the islands where it is available, where sea is very calm, water is clear, and many types of fishes, golden or multicolored, and are available in that water. And one can dive with wearing the costume. And this is an adventure, going under the water and watching the marine things by through eyes. Okay, come on. Another is mountaineering or something else. Anybody else will tell? Some like cycling to different places. Some like swimming or swimming in deep waters, not in the swimming tank. In this way, your adventures may differ. Now, go to the next. After you finish your education, would you like to work close to nature? After you finish your education, I think you must have decided your target. Some will say, I will be an engineer, I will be doctor, I will be an advocate, I will be any other profession. What you have you decided for your profession?
Engineering.
As allowed? Engineering. I would like to ask you, or you should tell something different. Once at our teacher's day, a student came and he said, I want to be a peon. Now, you are eligible to be to handle the classes on that day, particular day. No, no. I want to enjoy the role of this person, peon. He must have an idea in his mind. What is idea in your mind? And from that idea, you are stepping. Akshay Patil was the student who said, in the 8th standard, he said, I want to be an IS officer. I want to crack UPSCs. He started studying from his 5th standard. He had a target. What target do you have about your education? What it may be. After finishing your education, the question goes ahead. Read that question. Read that question yourself. After you finish your education, would you like to work close to nature? Close to nature. निसर्गाच्या सानिध्यात तुम्हाला काम करावंसं वाटेल काय? Who think? What think? Yes, do you? What will you do? See, I give an example from our own school. Mr. Hemraj Patil, he has finished his education. He get in the service in our school. He managed his home or home activities or whatever his problems, and now he is interested in working with the nature. He always go to the nature, go to our surrounding nature and find birds, observe them. Whenever any one of our students all saying that he found some injured bird somewhere, he goes there, picks it up, feeds it, cures it, and afterward he leaves it in the nature. He is working in the nature. Do you think yourself and decide as good?
I want to work at the marine biology lab at Manawan in China, because it is the best lab in the world for marine biology, and for
Your idea is best. You can do and decide what you will attribute to our India's marine biology. This will be your target, I think. Okay?
I just wanna learn things in that Manavan, but actually goal is to bring that technology to India.
Very good. That I expect from you. Now, go to the another point. Expanding horizon. Expanding horizon. Read there. Horizons. What do you mean by horizon? That is क्षितिज. Here meaning is avaka. We are doing the same thing. We are expanding our horizon. I am asking you some questions about those are given in the chit chat. We have discussed them. Now we have a point. Expand. Expand means to extend. Expand means to extend. Horizon, that is it is avaka. आपला avaka आपण वाढवायचा आहे. For that purpose, we are asked here that 4 words are given in a way. 4 words are given in a way, and you have to find many related words in your language, own language, at first, or in English at first. Then translate them either in your language Marathi, or if you write it in Marathi, translate it into English. The word is given here is see. Give the related words to it. Related word as you. Very good, girl.
Fishes.
S. Fishes. What is another?
Water.
Sea water. What kind of water is it? Is it saline water or what kind of water is it? Huh? Alkaline water. You can say salty water. Another SU boat, sheep, boats, ships. Any another word? Paliwal. SU. Huh?
Fishers.
Huh?
Fishers.
Fish, fishermen. Huh? Where are fish? You may say fishermen, right? Another
Many types of plastic underwater.
marine plants. In single word, marine plants. Okay? Huh?
Range.
Trench. Okay, very good. Do you give the meaning to all of them?
It means the depth of that water. मराठी चांगलं असेल.
Yes, in Marathi.
पाण्यातला जो सगळ्यात खोल भाग असतो त्याला ट्रेंच म्हणतात.
You are right. Any single word for trench? Saint Marina is a trench. Do you know it? Where it lies? Exactly opposite of Everest. Got it? Got it? What is there? Find and tell me in the research. Okay? Come on. Now, trench means गर्ता. पाण्याच्या खाली जमिनीला असलेला सर्वात खोल भाग, that is called गर्ता. मराठीमध्ये त्याला गर्ता म्हणतात. असे गर्ते नद्यांमध्ये देखील असतात. त्याला पॉटहोल्स असं म्हटलं जातं. त्याला पॉटहोल्स असं म्हटलं जातं इंग्लिश मध्ये. Come on, any another word? I think you were ready, anybody of you? So find all these words, make a list of them, translate them in Marathi, or if you find in Marathi, translate it in English. Try to put them in alphabetical order. And about Marathi, वर्णाक्षरानुसार त्यांना लिहा. And you will have your small dictionary. That will mean that you have expanded your horizon. Now we only dealt with a single word mudda, see. What about another word then? Wind. What kind of wind? Give me the related words. And
Respiration.
no, wind that blows. The air that is correct now. The air that blows and you feel it is harsh. That is called wind. As storm. His first word is storm. Again.
Dust.
Dust. No. Wind. Okay, dust is also related to wind.
Tornado.
What? Tornado. That is a cyclone. You may give a single word, cyclone. Any another word about wind? Harsh wind. Any another word related to wind? Pull. B-R-E-E-Z-E. Breeze. In this way, you can proceed further and get a list of words, arrange them in alphabetical order, and then in Marathi also arrange them in मुळाक्षरांच्या क्रमाने in alphabetical order. लिहा त्यांना. The next word is sky and land. The next word is sky. Give the related words to the sky. Blue, stormy, sunny, as you,
Clouds.
cloudy, starry. These are the words. Collect them. It is for your homework. Okay. Now the word land. Alkaline, acidic, alkadharmiya, amladharmiya. Any another word?
Soil.
So the word land means soil. Come on. In Marathi, सुपीक, नापीक. आले का शब्द? सुपीक, नापीक, पर्वतीय, जाडी भरणी, गाळाची. These are Marathi words. Collect these Marathi words, find them in English words and write there. Again, prepare an alphabetical order for it. That means you are now trained here to collect words. So whenever you find a word, if you find a camera, what is it related to? With the camera stand, with the handle, with the level bottle. So many words will be there. You will have a list and you have to translate it into Marathi. Means your both language bilingually your mind will be rich. Okay? Would you? I would like to stop here for today. Bye.